4. How to make better decisions when facing mental health challenges. Small blue diamond: slow down and reflect. Before making a decision, take your time to evaluate the situation and avoid reacting purely based on emotions. Small blue diamond: use writing as a tool. List out your options along with their benefits and risks to gain a more objective perspective. Small blue diamond: focus on what you can control. When feeling lost, direct your attention toward aspects you can influence instead of worrying about uncontrollable factors. Small blue diamond: seek external perspectives. Sometimes, a fresh perspective from a friend, expert, or therapist can provide valuable clarity. 2. Factors affecting decision-making. A. Emotions and mood. Emotions play a crucial role in decision-making. Someone who is anxious or sad may focus on negative information while overlooking more positive alternatives. This can lead to heavy checkmark: negative bias. When feeling down, we tend to evaluate situations more pessimistically than they really are. Heavy checkmark: emotional bias. Painful past experiences can shape how we perceive the present, making us more likely to make fear-based decisions rather than rational ones. B. Information overload. When the brain has to process too much information at once, it can become overloaded, leading to rushed decisions or complete avoidance of making a choice. Heavy checkmark: solution. When feeling overwhelmed, break problems down into smaller parts and focus on the most important information instead of trying to process everything at once. C. Cognitive biases. Cognitive biases are unconscious tendencies that distort how the brain processes information. Some common ones include confirmation bias. We tend to seek out information that aligns with our existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence. Halo effect. When evaluating a person or situation, we may be influenced by a single prominent characteristic rather than considering the full picture. Light bulb advice. Practice critical thinking by questioning your own assumptions. 3. How the brain processes information under stress. When experiencing stress or anxiety, the brain activates the fight-or-flight response, which leads to heavy checkmark: overactivation of the amygdala. The brain's emotional processing center becomes more active, making us more prone to emotional reactions rather than logical reasoning. Heavy checkmark: suppression of the prefrontal cortex. The area responsible for rational thinking and planning is inhibited, making it harder to make accurate decisions. Small blue diamond: the consequence. Stressed individuals may act impulsively, avoid making decisions altogether, or choose poorly due to fear. Heavy checkmark: how to counteract. Focus on deep breathing, meditation, or journaling to reduce stress and regain control. The human brain is a complex information processing machine, but it doesn't always function perfectly. For individuals struggling with mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, or stress, the way their brain receives, processes, and makes decisions can be significantly affected. To better understand this mechanism, let's explore its key aspects. 1. The brain's information processing systems. According to psychologist Daniel Kahneman, the brain operates based on two primary processing systems. System 1. Fast, intuitive thinking. This is an automatic thinking system that helps us make quick decisions without much deliberation. It relies on experience, emotions, and reflexes. System 2. Slow, conscious thinking. This system involves analytical thinking and requires focus. It enables us to assess information more logically before making a decision. Light bulb: the issue. When someone is under stress or dealing with psychological struggles, System 1 tends to dominate, leading them to react based on emotions rather than rational thinking. This can result in poor or impulsive decision-making.